Have you ever found yourself deep in the labyrinth of AI-driven game agents, tweaking emotion and strategies like a wizard fine-tuning spells? Or maybe you're the visionary, crafting AI personalities that can read a player's mood better than their own diary. Or are you the guardian of ethics, pondering the moral compass of AI characters, ensuring they are good digital citizens in your own virtual world? If you are nodding along, animatedly talking to your screen about how yes, that's exactly what we do, brace yourself. Introducing the epic saga of the year, Dungeons, Neurons, and Dialogues, Social Interaction Dynamics in Contextual Games, the workshop. The crown jewel event at the 12th International Conference on Affective Computing and Intelligent Interaction, 2024. This isn't your ordinary roundtable. Oh, no. We are driving headfirst into the nexus of affective computing and gaming, challenging the very fabric of social interaction models, ethical quandaries, and the future of human-AI camaraderie. Contribute with your groundbreaking paper, showcase your live gaming masterpiece, or simply light up the room with your enthusiasm and charisma. We are on the edge of our gaming chairs in anticipation. See you there, fellow scientists, innovators, and dreamers.